Hi guys, let's talk a little bit about the winter months and what we commonly see in these months. Maybe because of the decreased temperatures, or maybe because of less sunlight, or maybe because of more pollen in the atmosphere, we see a lot of cases of flu, RSV virus, COVID viruses, a lot of viral infections, even gastroviral infections, and even these viral infections even flare conditions like asthma, bronchitis, pneumonia. So this is the trend, guys, especially in school-going children. They contact these viruses a lot from each other in these months, specifically more so than any other part of the year. So please be on the watch out. Take simple precautions. Use a sanitizer. Wear a mask if you are a little bit sick, and increase your vitamin D intake, increase your vitamin C intake, which helps with a lot of viral infections, and that's about it.